Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade syrup, easy method. Start by juicing fresh lemons, measuring sugar, and heating water gently. Combine sugar and water to dissolve fully, then stir in lemon juice off heat to preserve brightness. Cool the syrup to room temperature, then chill briefly before bottling. Use 1 part syrup to 3 parts water or adjust to taste for stronger or lighter results. In this video, I will show how to make lemonade syrup, easy method. Measure 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water to make a balanced, simple syrup base, then squeeze about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice for the recipe. Heat the water and sugar until fully dissolved, cool slightly, then mix in lemon juice to retain brightness. Bottle and refrigerate, using 1 to 3 parts syrup to water when serving for consistent results. In this video, I will show how to make lemonade syrup, easy method. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy simple, practical guides, consider a book that can change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth for casual inspiration between recipes. It pairs oddly well with budgeting time for homemade projects and sipping lemonade while you read. Please subscribe and like if this is helpful. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make lemonade syrup, easy method. Begin by combining equal parts sugar and water in a saucepan and heat just until the sugar dissolves, avoiding a boil that reduces clarity. Remove from heat and whisk in the strained lemon juice to keep flavors fresh. Let the syrup cool, then bottle it in a clean jar and refrigerate. It keeps well for about 2 weeks and mixes easily with cold water.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.